The Bank of Japan have been expected to end their yield curve control for some time now, as one of the only central banks to still maintain a very loose monetary policy. The SNB acted last week and surprised both short-term interest rate markets and economists with a 50 basis points rate hike. This does put the pressure on the Bank of Japan to follow suit. However, last week, Governor Kuroda held firm by keeping interest rates unchanged at minus 0.10% and kept yield curve control in place. However, the pressure is likely to remain on the BOJ heading into the summer. The central bank added an unusual reference to foreign exchange rates to its list of risks. So will the yen strengthen still, as the pressure is likely to remain on the Bank of Japan? Now, the seasonal pattern for the US dollar Japanese yen would support this outlook. It's tilted to the downside with 12 falls in 15 years between June the 22nd and the 28th of August. This means the Japanese yen does tend to gain around the summer months against the US dollar. Now, much of this outlook will also depend on the inflation outlook for the US falling, as this is impacting the path of the US 10-year yields and the pace of US rate hikes. Major trade risks. Any steep rise in inflation can lift the US 10-year yields, and that in turn supports the US dollar yen and negates this outlook. Remember, HYCM clients can access the SeasonX product in order to analyse over 25,000 different currency pairs, indices, commodities, as well as individual stocks. Please do contact your account manager for a free trial to get started right away. Certain products and services mentioned herein may or may not be available to all clients, depending on which HYCM Capital Markets Group entity their trading account adheres to.